So if you saw the service video, we've got a Binatone Long Ranger 40 here for repair and service, because it was just white noise on receive with anything but the tiniest bit of volume. So that was a duff capacitor, and we now have a radio that works properly. So it has been talking, but it isn't doing now. We're on external error, we're on external power. It's a 12 volt radio, it's not 13.8 volts. And it's doing a full 4 watt output. So let's see if Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Now these have got, the internal speaker on these is 2.5 inch, so you know they're more generous than some of the mobiles of today. But we'll go through the extension speaker as usual. Right, I'm ready.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we don't have a tone control.
Roger. No doggy daycare, that's unusual. Perhaps it's too much wind.
What, and the dogs might blow away?
Yeah, they might get beaten to death by the ears flapping round their face.
Roger.
I'm coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Lancaster service station 147.9 and 175.9.
Roger on that. I can't remember where we were with that.
It's been a few days. I think last time I saw it was 145 or 170 or something like that. Anyway, it's expensive.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're now square wheel Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger Dodger.
The downside to this time of day with on the air test is going to be slow.
Yes, it's coming into rush hour, isn't it?
Roger that. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm the
Binatone Long Ranger 40 and portable. He's doing a full 4-watt output and on his built-in electret microphone, over.
Yep, Roger, well that sounds excellent. You wouldn't even know it was a handheld.
Apart from the Realistics, it's as good as they get.
Roger that. Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point even.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Binatone Long Ranger 40 hand portable from 1981. Doing a full 4-watt output and I'm on its built-in electret condenser mic. The radio is producing just drawing 640 milliamps to deliver the full 4-watt output. So we're going to go over to low power. Low power is only 160 milliwatts. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Low power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on low power. The radio is now going 235 milliamps. We're going to go back to full power. And there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. As expected, I had to override the squelch and you're very noisy on low power, but I could hear you fairly well.
Yes, I think they've got good audio, these, but it was only 160 milliwatts, so that's, you get what you get.
Yep, roger that.
Right, off you go when you're ready.
I will do. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, diddly does it.
Go 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 147.9 and 175.7, so it's basically the same as Ancaster now.
Roger that, well that was the treat, well thank you very much.
Roger that, 10-10. From Mr. Chippie's, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have we got a petrol price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yeah, 147.9 and 175.7, so it's basically the same as Ancaster now.
Roger on that. Well, that worked a treat, so thank you very much, and 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Well, what more can you say? We'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on our Midland 76900 base. Tango 21, testing the Binatone Long Ranger 40 hand portable into our Midland 76900 base station. It's on its built-in electric microphone, there's no alternative. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going to pop it on low power as a hum test. There we are on low power, and then we'll go back to full power. There we are back on full power. Tomorrow I think we have got one of those rather swish CPT radios, and I'm just trying, Satcom, that's it, Satcom 40F. Thanks for watching the Binatone Long Ranger 40 hand portable from 1981.